Guys, and welcome to the channel. Today I will show you how you can remove a notification virus in your VIVO Y22s. So if you see something like that in your notification bar, or if you want to visit any site and it's pop up, that means you have a notification virus like a Tabula or other that software thing. And we can try to remove it without antivirus app yet. So we have to open the settings and go to the apps. Now see all apps and look for your web browser. Now go to the storage and cache and choose clear storage. Then tab on clear all data and OK. Now go to the apps again and check that on the app list you have any unwanted apps or apps that you not installed before. If you see something like that, just tap on it and type on uninstall. And now your phone should be free from the notification virus. But if that way doesn't work for you, you can always try to download some antivirus app. In my case it will be Avast. You can always choose the other app, but remember to choose trusted company. Okay, so in the Avast we have to enable this app, skip that way, and continue as free. Now close this window and click skip for now. Just tap on the scan and allow permissions. Choose your scan type, and how you can see now I was looking for viruses and unwanted software. After the scan, Avast will delete it. And that's it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.